Short Man's Magical Tale.
Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Vertonia, there lived a man named Timble. Timble was a short man, standing at just 5 feet tall. But what he lacked in height, he made up for in determination and a heart full of courage. He worked as a librarian in the city's grand library, surrounded by towering shelves of ancient books and dusty manuscripts. Timble loved his job, and, despite his diminutive stature, he was known for his infectious enthusiasm and a deep knowledge of the library's vast collection. One day, as he was shelving books in the mythology section, he stumbled upon a mysterious tome that seemed to glow with an otherworldly light. Curiosity getting the better of him, Timble opened the book and discovered that it held the secrets of a long-forgotten world. As he read the pages, he learned about a legendary artifact known as the Crystal of Verta, said to grant unimaginable power to whoever possessed it. The catch was that it was hidden deep within the treacherous forest of shadows, a place feared by even the bravest of souls. Despite his size, Timble felt a surge of determination. He believed that this quest could be his chance to prove that courage and intelligence were more valuable than physical stature. He decided to embark on the journey to find the Crystal of Verta and bring glory to his name. Armed with a small satchel containing a few essentials, Timble set out on his adventure. Along the way, he encountered challenges that tested his wit and resourcefulness. He outsmarted cunning forest creatures, deciphered ancient riddles, and navigated through the dense foliage of the Forest of Shadows. As he delved deeper into the forest, the challenges grew more formidable. Timble faced towering trees that seemed to close in on him, their shadows, whispering ancient secrets. Yet, with each obstacle, he proved that size didn't matter when it came to courage and determination. Finally, after days of travel, Timble reached the heart of the Forest of Shadows. There, in a clearing bathed in an ethereal light, he found the Crystal of Verta. As he touched the crystal, a surge of power flowed through him. He realized that the real magic wasn't in the crystal itself, but in the journey he had undertaken. Timble returned to Vertonia, hailed as a hero. The people marveled at the short man who had conquered the Forest of Shadows and claimed the Crystal of Verta. From that day forward, Timble's stature was no longer measured in inches, but in the size of his heart and the strength of his spirit. And so the tale of Timble the short man, who became a legend, was told for generations to come, a reminder that true greatness comes from within,